Hey, it's Ben here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons and doing a review of a new software called WP Video Profits that are launching soon. And I know sometimes whenever a software has video in the title, a lot of affiliates get excited and they tell you that all you have to do is install it to start immediately making money, and they kind of hype it up. So I really wanted to dive in and take a thorough look at what exactly the software does and how it might help your business. Now, what it is it's a video player, a WordPress video player that can host YouTube videos or Amazon S3 MP4 videos. And it comes with a lot of different features that you can do to help make your video convert. For example, you can have nice looking share buttons installed. I'm going to show an example of some of these here. You can run Amazon ads in your video. You can have something called click to call, which it will call a phone. You can have banners in it, opt-in forms, and a lot more. So I'm going to show you an example here of what I mean, what this video player looks like. So here's all you have to do is first use a shortcode to install it. And then that video started, and then this one has an opt-in form actually. So you can see the opt-in form pop up at that time that we want, and then we can enter our email to subscribe, and then it will keep playing, or we can hit skip, and it will keep going. So here's another player here. And you can see to install these, all you have to do is paste the short code of the video that you can create. And I'll create a video as an example here. So for this one, we created a video with just an ID here. So if we want to put our sales video in, what we have to do is copy and paste the short code. And then we'll click on the link here to see an example. Now this one you have to play. It doesn't autoplay. In this one, you can see the feature had a hidden content. So for example, you could have a sales video here, and then after a certain number of seconds, you can actually have like buy buttons or some sort of content disappear or come up under here. So the buy button's not there as soon as they immediately hit the page. It's another feature you can do. And it's pretty easy to create these. So I'm going to go back into the software here and create some. So you just press that button there to create a new video, give our video a name, and then we want to get a YouTube video URL here. And that's going to be what the video actually plays, the main video, because it can't host the video itself. So it will rely on YouTube, or there's another feature where you can have an Amazon S3 link. Now you can choose if it's responsive or a fixed size. You can customize the size. You can have it autoplay if you want. You can have the video loop. And then you can have a preview image or thumbnail. And then all those features I was talking about, like the Amazon ads or the click to call or the opt-in buttons, that's where we can add here by pressing this button, add new. And then we go here and select all the different features that we want for our video. So say, for example, we want the like boxes. It's another feature. We can just press that button. And then we have the feature here that we can customize. So we can display as soon as the video loads, in the beginning of the video, if we want it on mobile or not, if we want the video to stop, if we want it to hide, if they after a number of seconds, if we wanted them to skip it, or they have to subscribe to our Facebook or a tweet or share it on LinkedIn. And then do we want any animations, like do we want it to bounce in, slide up, fade in, for example, and just press Save Changes. And then we have our video already with the ID here. And all you have to do is copy that shortcode and paste it. Then you have a video that has this effect in it. If you want to add more effects, all you have to do is press the Add New button and choose another one you want. So say, for example, you want to run like an Amazon ad over the video, and you have an affiliate marketing site, for example. You can just press that. And then again, like the feature above this one, we can go ahead and customize how we want, where we want it to display, where we want it to hide. Stop the video, show overlay, a lot of different features to make sure that you have full control over how the video wants and how these features interact, so you can have it exactly how you want on your site, which is pretty cool. Now, as far as what features are you going to get, so on the front end, you're going to be able to get the social share, the one-click action to tweet. You're going to have the unlimited opt-in boxes and forms for the video, call to actions, banner ads over or inside the video, the HTML content that can show up below the video, call to actions like I showed the second video that can show up below. You can have 3 different video skins. And then if you upgrade to the OTO 1, the Pro version, you get a bunch of other ones, all of these other features that I didn't mention in this one, like the Amazon ads. You can have an iPad, iPhone, MacBook player style. You get 10 additional video skins. You can have the phone call or Skype call if they click it. That's really good if you do like offline marketing type services, or you want to do this for a business. You can have no YouTube branding, a clean video player, and tons of different features for you to customize. Okay, so then after going through this and testing it out and things, the only bad parts are that obviously video players have been launched and done a lot of times. So this isn't the first unique video player to do things like have share buttons over the video. There's other options out there. I haven't seen any options or video players that have this many options, other than maybe like Wistia, which is a more expensive monthly fee. And of course the only problem is also that you have to use a YouTube URL or an S3 link. It can't just like host your videos like Wistia can. Upload them and host them for you, giving you more control. Now, the good thing is that this is definitely a useful tool for tons of different businesses, whether you want to have this for like your sales video, whether you want to, you have like an e-commerce or affiliate store. There's a lot of all these different features here that can be very helpful for tons of different businesses. And of course, video is very important to engage your audience. Now, that doesn't mean that as soon as you install it, I don't know what they're going to say on the sales copy or some affiliates will say, but, just because you install it on your site doesn't mean that it's going to start raining profits or, all of a sudden you have a video sales letter that couldn't convert any sales, and then you install WP Video Profits, and all of a sudden, it's making hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's not really going to happen. But I do think this is definitely a helpful tool that was well done, and it worked. All the different options worked very well. And and of course the biggest benefit is that it's available for an extremely, extremely low price for lifetime access and updates to everything during the early bird special launch. So unlike Wistia, that can do a bunch of this stuff too, that one is a SaaS fee you have to pay per month. This one during the launch you can get access to for really a very low price. So it's going live at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if it's right for your business and you think it's going to help you, you can get it through my link, and then you'll get a bunch of additional, very valuable, helpful bonuses to help your marketing too that are going to relate to WP Video Profits. So thanks again for checking out this video, and I hope this review helped and added some value, and I'll talk to you again soon.